Cabinet Minister and Panthor Umkhra MLA Alexander L. Hecht addressed concerns regarding the alleged poor construction of a bridge near BDW International School in Nongmansong, Shillong. Hecht clarified that the bridge remains under construction and the reported damage pertains only to the culvert leading to the bridge.
This other construction, no, that is not the main bridge. It is not the main bridge.
Okay.
Who said the main bridge?
Oh, wow.
This is the culverts only construction.
What is the total cost for this?
No, that total cost over, I don't know about the total cost.
But will you...
But that engineer and all, SDO engineer, today only I spoke to the chief engineer also to immediately give the sanction. This road is very important as is the need of the hour. Urgently is required to restore that.
What is the alternative arrangements for movement of people?
No, that is already moving now also. The road is open. It has not closed. Yes, they have not closed the road. Today only I came from that road only.
But
Now how you say that in the question? If it is completed, then I will agree with you. But work has not been completed. This is under construction. It is under progress now, the work.
will you stick...
Let me first complete it, then only if there's any problem with the construction, we will take action against any contractor who is working. But now when the work is going on, how we can just blame anybody? That work is in the progress now.